Hi everyone. Good day to you all. Welcome back to my channel. My channel is all about health. Where if today is your first time watching my video, please like, comment, and subscribe. Subscribe to my channel. Thanks for your support. God bless you. So today's video is all about this beautiful Autogele fan. I've already cut out the first base. It's going to be V at the front. So I'm measuring the pleat out now. The length is 13 inches. Wide is 10 inches. So I'll cut two pieces out. I'm going to place it on top that first one I've already cut. I don't want the sewing to be showing at the back side. That's why I am cutting the pleating separate. And I will now place it on top the first one I've already cut. So it's two pieces like this. This is how I'm going to do my pleat. Use my pressing iron to press it down. So when sewing, it will be difficult to pleat. This is the first side of the pleat. This is how I'm going to do the second one. This is how I'm going to place it when sewing. The first side of the plate. This is how I'm going to place it. I will not place it straight. I'm going to slant it just the way you are saying. Then I take the second one and cross it to make sure the V is showing very well. I'll take it to my machine and sew exactly as it is here. After sewing, I sew my velcro on the both sides. I let the hard way to face on top, just the way I place it. In the other side, I will let the soft one to face down. I've already sewn and I've sewed my first pleat. I will use my zigzag scissors to trim the excess space at the front. I'm going to trim where the line is showing, the thread. That's where I'm going to trim it round to enable the V to show. I have trimmed it. I'm trimming the excess at the back side. You can see how it's showing. Thanks for watching to this extent. Please stay tuned to the end to see how beautiful it is. Please subscribe to my channel. Thanks for your support. I'm making the first plate. Since it's same gele, it's not tying direct on the head, so I will use the first plate. I will make 5 or 6 pleats to raise it up and to make it strong. So I'm making the first plate now. Please subscribe to my channel. If you have watched to this extent, you have not yet subscribed, please subscribe. Subscribe. As you do that, God bless you. Share to your friends. Let others see it. It's a beautiful style. So I've make the first plate and I want to start making the fan on top. So I almost start at the center of the gele to start my pleating. Just stay tuned, watch to the end so you understand more better as I'm explaining. Thanks for your support. I really appreciate you guys. Please, if there is any question or contribution, please don't fail to drop it at the comment section. I will be gladly to reply to you. I have made this side and I want to secure that place. So first of all, tie the hand of this first place so that I will know how I will be placing the fan plate to know how it's going to fall on. I'm tying the plate so that I will be able to continue to the rest plate. Please, I'm using glue gun, but I want to use a thread in case it didn't go well, so that I'll be able to come back and reduce it again. I advise you sew it before using glue gun, because when you use glue gun for the first time, if you made mistake and you want to come back and redo it, the glue gun will mess it up. You can see that our gele is coming out. Our gele is coming out. Beautiful gele. Autogele must go to party. We have come to the end of the video. Look how beautiful it is. Thanks for watching to this extent. God bless you. Thanks for your support. I really appreciate you. See you on my next video. Bye.